Hi guys, today we're going to be doing activity 54, iTunes movie rentals, and we are going to be creating an exploding pie chart. Don't get too excited, you'll be safe. Alright, so we're going to type in the data as it shows us to do, and then we're going to use the autofill feature to finish the numbering sequence in column A. So we have 1, 2 there, and we kind of did this before. We had, I think, a rank or something. If we select both of those, and then we go down to the little box and drag down to autofill, it should number them down to 20. Format the width of column A to 6.0, and so we're going to do that. And what's my column width at? Sorry, let me try that again. There we go. Column width to 6. And then we want to go to number 5 in the book and bold row 4. So we're going to select row 4 and bold it. And adjust the width of column B through F using the auto fit feature. So B through F, we're going to select those, and we're going to go to Format up here in the ribbon, and we're going to go to Auto Fit Column Width. There we go. All right. Then we are going to bold cells A1 and A2 and change the font size to 16 point. So A1, A2, and we're going to bold them, change it to 16. All right, format cells C5 through C24 as dates, center align, and display as month, date, and year, 2 of each. So, okay, so we're going to select C, and C5 through C24. We are going to format cells, going to do it as a date. We want it to be displayed as month, date, year with 2 for the year. So this would probably be what we want there. So we're going to click on that. And then we are going to also center align that. There it is. So again, we did the dates as month, day, year with 2 of each, two digits for each part, and then we center align them. Okay, format the width of column D to 10 and center align that. So we're going to select that one, and we're going to make that column width 10. And we're going to center align those. Go. All right, format cells D5 through D24 as currency, displaying 2 decimal places and the dollar symbol. So again, we're going to select all of these. Format cells, we want it to be currency, 2 decimal places, and the dollar symbol. And click OK. And then center align columns E and F. So we want to center align those. And voila. Okay, so create an exploded pie chart as follows. So here's kind of the new thing. And so what we want to do, and we've done graphs, so this isn't all that different, is we're going to select cells B4 through B24 and F4 through F24 together. So B4 starts with movie title. We want to go down to B24. Then we want to press down our control key and leave it down while we select over here for F. So we want to select F4 through F24. So we should have both of those selected, nothing else, okay? And then we want to go up to Insert, and we want to find the pie chart. Now this time we are going to be doing the 3D pie. Okay, and so we want to find that 3D pie and we want to click on that. So it's going to look like that. And we want to set the pie chart to series and columns. So let me just, I think that's what we want right there. I don't think we need to do that, but let me just double check that. Sorry. Yep, good. All right, and so we don't need to do the series and columns or anything. Enter the chart title as average rating out of 10. Whoop, it's there, yay. Didn't have to do anything. And then display the legend at the bottom of the pie chart. Well, it's pretty much there. And then show no data labels. Nope, not showing. And save the chart as a new sheet. Yay! Okay, we know how to do that. We're going to go up to the, once it's selected, then we want to go to the chart tools that come up and click on the Move Chart button. And we're going to choose New Sheet, and we're going to name this new sheet iTunes Movies Chart. So iTunes Movies Chart. Okay, we've got all that, and we're going to click OK. So again, make sure that's selected, Chart Tools, Move Chart, New Sheet, iTunes Movies Chart. It should come up looking like that. Okay, much better than what it looked like on the other page. All right, now we want to format the style of the pie chart by selecting the largest piece and dragging that piece out to add emphasis. So that's considered to be exploding it. So, the largest piece. Well, the largest piece seems to be this one right here to me. Okay, so we're going to select that piece of the pie and we're going to drag it out. So to select it, we have to double click on it so we just get that one piece. Then we're going to see that it's just the one piece selected. And then we're going to just sort of drag it out like that. That is called an exploding pie chart. Don't you love it? All right, now we're going to format the exploded piece's data point to show the data's label value. So for that particular one, we want it to show up as the data label. So if we select it, we add data label. Sorry, let's try that once again. Oh, it's there. Okay, format data label, excuse me. And we need to maybe make that bigger. And there it is. Okay, it's kind of there. It's hard to see with that particular piece of pie. So we're going to bold that, make it bigger, and change the color of that particular text to white. Oh, there we go. All right, so it's a 9. All right. When formatted, it should look similar to that on the other page. And apparently I missed a 10 in there somewhere. But that's what we want to do. Okay, so you're going to add a header and footer. So we're going to go to just click out of there. Insert text, header and footer. And here we want to do a custom header. And we want to put in activity 54. And it always is good if you use caps properly. There we go. And your name. And then in the center section, we want to put in iTunes movie rentals. And then in the last section, we want to put in the current date. So we're going to click on that little 7 button that inserts the date. It's going to look funky. You'll have the and symbol and date in brackets, but that's normal. And you'll see that it comes up then. And then we will also want to put in footer, and page 1 is fine. And click OK. And then you would also want to go back to the original page and do the same thing. Insert and then header and footer. Save it and send it. Have a good day.